All right, let's do a quick recap for the Tuesday. This is my third time recording it. I forgot to connect my AirPods, so the sound was pretty bad. Uh, so let's do it again. So what we were looking from the forecasting is this 4-hour fair value gap, which I wanted to get some retracement from, and same as this one, but this one is pretty low, so my hope was to get a good rejection from this one, which is also a 1-hour fair value gap which been tapped into pretty nicely. But the saddest part is I was at work to, to when the New York opens, like 10 to 6. So I was pretty much going into the washroom for 15-20 minutes to check the chart how it's going on. So yeah, it was it was a horrible day. Like I wasn't mentally fully into the chart, you know, and when it's a busy day, it's really hard. So yeah, so when the New York opened, I found some time to get in, like to look into the charts. Then after we got the rejection from this 1-hour fair value gap into the 5 minute, I've got this inverse fair value gap, which is 2 minute was pretty big. Yeah, 2 minute was pretty big, but I always look into the higher time frame inversion. So on the 5 minute, this is the one. See how bad the rejection is if we went to the 2 minutes. Even though we had like a good trade, but we could have gone into like a little bit drawdown. So when the 5 minute candle closed above this uh 5 minute inverse fair value gap, I took the entry from here. The stop loss was a little bit bigger because I had to use a fixed stop loss and fixed TP as I wasn't always available on the chart. So this is the area I was looking for. There was literally a 1:1 kind of like a trade, and we straight went to the TP, which is beautiful. So when we started disrespecting this 1-hour fair value gap, so my target was if we create like we might on the next candle we might just take out this high and then start going lower. But if we start respecting the highs, then we might create higher highs. So on the 15 minutes, I was looking for a kind of like a retracement, which we got into the 5 minute, not the 15 minute. So yeah, when I see the 5 minutes here, I was pretty sure this low is the low, kind of like a low which will hold. How the candle closed on 5 minutes, pretty bullish. So on 2 minutes, we see the inversion again. I took the trade again from here, but there's a twist. Where I work, the network was so bad. It took me a couple of tries to get into the entry, but it wasn't possible to take the TP. So I had to trail my stop loss every couple of minutes, and let me show you the target first. So this gap, I was targeting this gap, this 4-hour gap. So I just marked down this low. So I want to see the candle just hit it in reverse. So when on the lower time frame I got in, my TP, my personal target was this one, but it didn't got hit because of the network issue. So when the price went in, I put my stop loss a little bit in profit, but price never came back after hitting that one. And I didn't have the chance to take entries on my live account because I was outside. I didn't want to take any kind of like a stupid risk. And one thing from my journal and everything, what I noticed when I'm outside, I'm out of my setup taking trades, that's when I take like the most stupid kind of decision. So that's another reason I didn't want to take the live trade, but took this one like on 5 minute. I put my like a limit, buy limit from here, but like I trailed it so hard. I ended up closing around like a little bit in profit, like $80 or something. I don't mind. I don't mind like there is no such a rules like I need to close in $150 to get a payout. I'm just trading in my rules. As long as I'm following the rules, I'm okay. I don't care about the money anymore because it's been too long, man, to be honest. And yeah, pretty good day to be honest. Even though like trading wise, not a like if I say like as a price action wise, it was a pretty good day. But for my side, it was a L day to miss out on these beautiful opportunities. But it is what it is, man. I have to work. I have to pay the bills, and yeah, uh, I just keep going. There'll be much more opportunities. I feel like as we have seen in the last week, and we are pretty close to the all-time high. So, and I feel like we're not done here yet. But the Asian was pretty crazy. I was just looking into it. We went we went literally to the moon. So yeah, I'll talk more about my what I'm looking at for Wednesday tomorrow. It will be interesting to see how price acts on like end of Asia and London. Then on the New York, if we can expect any kind of like expansion, that would be beautiful. Or on New York, we might can get like a reversal also, which you never know. You never know. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys on the forecasting Wednesday. Peace.